Hey guys, Tyler Britt with you again with another edition of Snack Pack. So today we're going to talk about the Vortex tool in Smart Notebook. Really great interactive tool that you can use to make your lessons a little more engaging for students. You can take two different categories and sort them. So I have living and non-living here going. I'm going to go ahead and sort those out. So a tree, that's living, a boy is living, a crayon is non-living, a bunny, a horse. Students love to come up, grab these different items and bring them over. If they put it in the wrong category, it will spit it back out, which is a really nice self-grading, self-checking tool. So at the end, when you've sorted everything, you get this nice little T-chart from which you can teach. How does it know which category to put everything? You click Edit, and then you make your two categories here. So you see I made a living and a non-living for my different Vortex sorts, and then I just put my items down the list. If the spinning makes you nauseous, you can uncheck this and make it not spin. So let me show you step by step how to add a tool like this. I'm going to go to a clean Smart Notebook page. I'm going to click on the little gallery sampler up here, the little picture frame. I'm going to type Vortex. When I type Vortex, I'm going to have this interactive multimedia page pop up. Go ahead and grab any of the ones over here on the left and bring it over. Comes up quite large. I'm going to make it a lot smaller so we can see it. All right. Then all you have to do is click Edit and set your categories. Maybe I make this one a math one. We're going to maybe talk about greater than, less than, so I'll just do this quickly. Hopefully my math holds up here. 15, maybe I want to get several different operations in there. Okay, hopefully those really do equal greater than, less than 30. So once you have your items set, you click OK. Oh, I like the spinny. I gotta make it spin. So once you have your items set, you click OK. You can click Reset if you get started and then want to refresh for the next hour or whatever. It will reset for you. So I go ahead and sort my items out. Remember, of course, if I put something in incorrectly, it's going to spit it back out. So that's a nice little feature. And then just the same as I had before, once I get this sorted out, it's going to give me a nice little T-chart. Really simple, lots of different content areas you can use it. There's another one that's more visual for students. For instance, I have a living and a non-living sort again, but I've used photos this time. So I can go ahead and make my sort. Chair is non-living, a puppy is living, a girl is living, a bowl of rice is non-living, fish, car, rock. And you'll notice that once again, I get that nice little visual T-chart. Really great, particularly for primary students. Same type of situation, come over here to the gallery, type Vortex, but you have these ones that say image off to the side too. So that's the one you need there. I'm going to go ahead and grab an image. I'll make this smaller again. Very, very simple to add images. Let's say that I'm going to do a math-related one. Maybe I want to do a sort of quads, quadrilaterals, and non-quads. And I'm ready to just drag my image here, you see. So I'm just going to come over here to Google. Maybe I'm going to search for a square. Up here, when you do a Google search, you have the images. So click the Images tab. I'd also encourage you to hit Search Tools and sort by usage rights, labeled for reuse, to make sure that you're using something that you legally have rights to. And I like to use the size tool because I'm looking for something that's no bigger than a medium size. I don't want something that's many thousands of megapixels wide. So I see this little square here. That's exactly what I need. I'm going to hold down left click and drag it. I'm going to move back over to the Smart Notebook. See how it highlights yellow? I let go. Boom. There's a picture of a quad. Non-quad. I said I wanted to do maybe a triangle. Oh, this is perfect right here. Just a simple triangle. I'm going to drag, put it in the non-quads. Move back over. Now I'm going to do maybe a rhombus. Get a nice little picture of a rhombus that I like. Let's see. I'll take this one, I suppose. Go ahead, move that over to the quads. One more, maybe a circle. Oh, that's perfect. Just a simple circle. I'm going to drop that in non-quads. Now notice that I only used, I don't know, 4. So I'm going to change my images down to 4 here. Oh, of course it took away what I... Let me see, I'll find another quad right quick. Ah, that's perfect. No problem. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate the vortices and click OK. And then I can just sort my quads and my non-quads. And it's going to give me that nice little T-chart again. You can see very, very easy to go over to Google Image, drag an image over, and make a visual thing. So that's the Vortex sort in a nutshell. I hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and onward we go.